What's going on, gardeners? This is Abundant Gardening with another quick gardening tip. Today I'm going to share with you what I use instead of a heat mat, or what you can do if you don't have a heat mat. What I have here is a 28 quart Sterilite container with an aquarium heater and about 3.5 gallons of water. And what I did is I set this aquarium heater to approximately 90 degrees. But it really, because it's only 45 in this garage, it really never gets up to 90. It only really gets up to about 82-ish. And what happens is, it's kind of hard to tell now, but when I open this, you can see that my seedling tray is resting right on top of that warm water, and it just magnifies into these seedling blocks. I just measured the soil temperature and it was 72 degrees, so which is a great improvement over what it would be without this aquarium heater. And even with a heat mat, I don't think a heat mat can warm up the seedlings by 35 degrees. So that's just a quick tip. I just want you to make it your own, give you some ideas. Gardening sometimes is a problem-solving ordeal. So if you would like to see more garden tips like this, also seed starting guides, updates on overwintering plants, and so on, please subscribe, and I'll be doing videos on such topics in the future.